Hi guys, welcome to True Academy. Now let's discuss brief with the commutative property. This property is applicable only for addition and multiplication process such as a plus b equals b plus a and a into b equals b into a. For example, 4 plus 3 equals 7 equals 3 plus 4. Here, whether 3 come before or after the plus sign, the sum of 4 and 3 will always 7 irrespective of their order. There are three major properties used in mathematical or arithmetic operations followed by integers. They are commutative, associative, and distributive property. Commutative property of addition. When we add two integers, the answer will remain unchanged even if the position of the numbers are changed. Let a and b are two integers. Then a plus b equals b plus a. Let's have an example. 1 plus 2 equals 2 plus 1, that equals 3. Commutative property of multiplication. When we multiply two integers, the answer we get after multiplication will remain the same, even if the position of the integers are interchanged. Let a and b are two integers. Then a into b equals b into a. Let's have an example. 1 into 2 equals 2 into 1, that equals 2. 3 into 8 or 8 into 3 equals 24. Associative law of addition and multiplication. According to associative law, you can add or multiply them. In other words, the placement of parentheses does not matter when it comes to adding or multiplying. Hence, a plus of b plus c equals a plus b of plus c. A of bc equals ab of c. Distributive law of multiplication. The distributive property of multiplication states that multiplying a sum by a number is the same as multiplying each addend by the value and adding the products then. According to distributive property, if a, b, c are real numbers, a of b plus c equals a of a into b plus a into c. Noncommutative property. Some operations are noncommutative. The mathematical operations, subtraction and division are the two non-commutative operations. Unlike addition, in subtraction, switching of orders of terms results in different answers. Example, 4 minus 3 equals 1, but 3 minus 4 equals minus 1, which are two different integers. Also, division does not follow the commutative law. That is, 6 divided by 2 gives you 3 and 2 divided by 6 gives you 1 by 3. Hence, 6 divided by 2 is not equal to 2 divided by 6.